Are you tired of living with constant fatigue, discomfort, and the feeling that your body just isn't working the way it should? Imagine a natural solution designed not only to restore balance, but also to boost your energy and well-being from the inside out. That's exactly what Eden MD Plus offers. This powerful formula combines carefully selected natural ingredients to support your body's health in a safe, effective, and holistic way. Unlike synthetic options that often come with side effects, Eden MD Plus is built to nourish, protect, and revitalize your system, helping you feel younger, more active, and more confident every day. So, how does it work? Eden MD Plus is packed with plant-based nutrients and minerals that target the root causes of poor health instead of just masking the symptoms. It's all about addressing inflammation, supporting digestion, and improving circulation, three key factors that affect how you feel on a daily basis. With consistent use, people have reported better energy, improved focus, healthier digestion, and even enhanced mood. It's like giving your body the fuel it has been craving to perform at its best. And the best part, you don't need complicated routines or restrictive diets. Just a simple daily step that fits easily into your lifestyle. Now, picture yourself a few weeks from today. You wake up feeling energized instead of exhausted. Your body feels lighter, your mind clearer, and even those everyday aches seem to fade away. That's the kind of transformation Eden MD Plus can unlock. Thousands of people around the world are already making this choice, turning frustration into motivation and reclaiming control over their health. And today, it can be your turn. If you've been searching for a natural, reliable, and effective way to boost your vitality and overall health, Eden MD Plus is the step forward you've been waiting for. Don't let another day go by feeling less than your best. Click the link below. Get started right now and take the first step toward a healthier, stronger, and more vibrant version of you. Your body deserves this care, and your future self will thank you.